Hi, I'm Nora. Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to share a peach crumble recipe that's so delicious. I'm very addicted to it, and it's very simple to make as well. So here we go. First, preheat the oven to 175 degrees Celsius and grab around 2 to 3 peaches. Here I'm using nectarines because that's what I had at hand. You can also use other type of peaches. Chop them into big chunks, and then in a big bowl, add some oat flour, almond flour, and rolled oats, some coconut sugar, and a pinch of salt as usual, and then some cinnamon, vanilla extract, and some extra virgin coconut oil. If your coconut oil is solidified, make sure to melt it before adding it, and some maple syrup. Just mix them all together using a spoon or a fork, your choice. And then here I add some desiccated coconut because I feel like it. And just use a hand to crumble them all together. Grab a pie pan or a baking tray, add all the peaches into it. And then just use your beautiful hands to crumble all the crumble mixture on top. Make sure it's evenly spread out and put it into the oven to bake for 30-40 minutes until the top is golden brown and you can feel it's super yummy and crispy on top and soft peaches underneath. I highly recommend serving it when it's still warm, especially for the crumble part, because that's the time when it's super crumbly and crispy. And if you fancy a breakfast vibe, you can also add some soy yogurt and cinnamon like what I did here. And that's it. That's a very crispy, warm peach crumble. It's super good for snacking or breakfast. I really love it because it gives out so much flavor with just a few ingredients. Especially now it's peach season, so it's really a good idea to using it in a good way. So that's it. I hope you will like this recipe and I hope to see you soon. I know it's been a while since I uploaded my last video because the past month has been crazy for me. It's kind of a long story and a lot of changes. If you are interested in hearing out, let me know in the comment section down below. I'd probably share if some of you are interested. So that's it. That's for now. And see you soon. Bye.
I don't always think about you till First Avenue. That's when I do.